Hello and welcome back. Now that we added a location, I went ahead and added one more, a location for demonstration purposes. In this tutorial, we're going to really learn how to activate a business profile. What do I mean by activate a business profile? Well, when you set up locations and when you add all the information like product, services, blog posts, finish all this business profile page, it is not visible still to the people that visit ExperiencePlaces. What I mean by that is if we go to a home page, and right now this is the only profile that we have on this website because this is a demonstration website that I have set up. When we go to the home page, we do not see anything, like we don't have any business profiles visible here. And if I go to search and try to search for it, well, I need just to enter the word some, and then we don't see anything. And the name of our company here, the company profile is some company, and we should really be able to see it, but we don't. So in order for it to be visible, what we have to do is to activate the profile. In order to activate a profile, we need to have at least one location because ExperiencePlaces works based on locations. So in order to activate it, we can either go to this button which says activate, or we can go to settings, manage account. So I'm just going to go to activate. Here we come to a point where this is how ExperiencePlaces earns money. There are various locations. If a business has one location, they can just activate one. If you have two, you can activate two. In this demonstration, I'm going to activate only one location and then show what happens when we want to add another one. So when I click on one of these check boxes, on the side panel here, we get some more information. So we have a base price, and base price is the same regardless of how many locations is added. And then a per location price. So right now, for example, it says locations $49.99 a month. And I'm going to do one more and it just goes to $99.98. So it basically adds two locations. One thing about these prices, they're not written in stone right now. We are still working out on how much to charge. These are just for display purposes at this point. Right now I'm going to add this location, 123 Address Street. And this here, Street Avenue, I'm going to leave out. Say, for example, there's a renovations there, or maybe it's not ready yet. I just got that location, so I don't want, for whatever reason, I don't want it to come up. So I'm just going to activate this one. Over here in this box, we have a coupon code. I have set up a coupon to show how it works. Just enter the coupon code, click this blue button, and now we have this extra information here. So it says coupon 50% off, expires on 30th of May, and starting 31st of May 2016, which is the date. Today is 31st of May 2016 that I'm making this tutorial. It's going to be $54.99 a month, and starting in the year from now, the 31st of May, it's going to be $109.98 per month. So that's fine. I'm going to go and click a checkout now, and it will take me to PayPal. So here we are. Right now, ExperiencePlaces only accepts PayPal payments. Maybe we will add more payment gateways later, but at this point, it's only PayPal. And in order to use PayPal, you will need to have a PayPal account. Without a PayPal account, you will not be able to pay ExperiencePlaces for monthly service. So in this case, this is my Sandbox account for development purposes, but it'll do for this tutorial. I'm going to enter my credentials. Okay, here we go. So it says, should I agree and continue? So it says description, it's ExperiencePlaces. And I'm going to just agree and continue. And now the payment profile has been set up. So now the recurring payments should be working. It says success profile activated and may take a few hours for changes to take effect. What that basically means is PayPal still has to send back some information to ExperiencePlaces to say, yes, everything worked and the payment profiles are working and that sort of thing. So if I go to manage accounts right now, again, we can see that it changed a bit. We have this address which we wanted to activate. It says updating payment info. and we cannot really change anything about anything on this page right now. Until this updates behind the scenes from the PayPal, this will stay like that, and we will not be able to do anything about it. But it doesn't usually take long, usually just a few minutes, maybe maximum an hour, and it should change. And we will see, I will show you what it will look like once the update is actually complete. If we go to a profile page, it will still say that this business profile is not active, but it's simply because the PayPal has not updated this yet. So we're waiting for it to update still. Okay, so in the next part, I will show you what happens when the update is done.